130i. Ease of use, quality, and productivity are at the heart of Domino's AX series inkjet printers. The Ax130i ability in a cost-effective printing solution for basic coding and settings and create labels with only a few touches using Domino's common quick-step user interface, maximizing your uptime with ink replenishment on the go and simple annual maintenance that takes an operator less than 10 minutes. With excellent first start performance and consistently great code quality in varying ambient temperatures, the Ax130i is ready to print when you need it, delivering consistently clean, sharp print quality throughout the life of the printer from the unique iPulse printhead. Domino-developed inks ensure lasting adhesion and light fastness on a wide variety of substrates in high-demand applications across many industries. The Ax130i, made by Domino for value without compromise.